Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a curly high puff, a messy carefree curly high puff. So I did a couple twists in my hair a couple days ago when I washed my hair on wash day. So now I'll be unraveling these twists to get those bomb curls that you guys saw in my thumbnail to get this messy carefree high puff. I know there's a special technique when you're unraveling twist for a twist out, but this is just for a messy carefree high puff, so there's no technique, boo. Just unravel, just do whatever. It's just a whatever type thing, because guess what, it's a carefree puff, a messy puff. Do what you gotta do. Yeah, the Trini music is hidden. So I'll be using the black castor and flaxseed oil eco style gel to get that slay, that sleek look, sis. Yes. So now I'm just gonna pull a couple strands of hair from the side to get that little curl, and also in the back as well. So these curls are gonna give it that messy carefree look. So that's the key, those little tiny curls that you see going on right there. The curls are not there as yet. I'm gonna work on it after I do the high puff. What I did was cut the hair tie open so I can pull it to my likings, how tight I want my high puff to be or how loose I want it to be. Don't do it too tight because you're gonna have a headache, trust me. Just to get that extra sleek look, I'm gonna add a little bit more gel around the perimeter of my hair before I tie my hair with a hair scarf. Guys, don't mind my eyebrows. I am just trying to grow them out so I can get the shape that I want it to be. So yeah, it's a mess right now. So now I'm just gonna be adding my scarf, and I'll be wearing this scarf for probably 20 minutes or so. So while I'm waiting for my hair to dry under the scarf, I'm just gonna pull these curls apart just so I could get my puff to look bigger. "20 minutes later, I took my scarf off, and now I'm just gonna be doing baby hair, adult ear, whatever you want to call it. This is not a must. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I chose to do this. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Comment down below. I reply to every comment. Let me know your thoughts. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also remember to subscribe and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye!
It's not a game, it's a rich.